Hey, so here's one of my favorite snacks if I want something sweet and I don't want to have any added sugar. So I slice bananas, chop some nuts, I have some ground flaxseed and cinnamon. Simple enough. Layer your bananas. I use a paper plate because I'm lazy and I don't want to do dishes. And I like to use an extra ripe banana, like when it has bruises, it's sweeter that way. Sprinkle some ground flax on it, which is an omega fat, high in fiber, many health benefits, and delicious because it's toasted. There's a nice toasted flavor. Sprinkle some cinnamon. Sprinkle some crushed almonds or walnuts. You can use shredded coconut, but you have to be careful because when you buy shredded coconut, it oftentimes has added sugar. So that's not good because I know that's what you're trying to eliminate. Coat them nicely. I take a Ziploc bag. These are delish. Place them in my bag. Put them in the freezer. And in an hour or so, you have nice, chewy, sweet dessert. Simple as that. Give it a try.